Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 mini, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your Gbird on this device. Firstly, access App Store and click on the search bar. Then type Gbird and download this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. Now click on Get Started twice. And over here, go back and select General. Now scroll down, choose Gbird and tap on Gbird. Then click on Add New Gbird. Sometimes that happens, so you have to go back into the same settings. And select Add New Gbird then. Now choose Gbird, click on Gbird and tap on the switcher next to Allow Full Access. Then choose Allow and go into Gbird app. Now you have to choose Understood and tap on Themes. Then click on this plus sign under Customized and select one of your photos. I will go with that one. So now I can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Choose at the bottom right corner. Then adjust background to darkness. Click on the switcher next to key borders over here to turn them on or off and even pick color of them. You can also customize all of those options over here. And when you're done, just done at the top right corner. So now when I go back and try to access my Gbird, I can see the theme of it hasn't changed. In this case, you need to click on this globe icon at the bottom left corner and tap on Gbird. Then choose Understood. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!